Okay, we've got a little Nissan Acenta 1.2 petrol engine, manual. This one was registered in December 2009, so it's almost a 2010 car, this one. Good tidy order all round. Again, you know, if you look at any of our cars, you'll find the odd blemish. If you're going to look close, it's a fairly straight car. Got really good tyres on this one, alloy wheels. That front tyre there is near enough new. Same with the back ones, you know, they're all good. Really good tyres, a few blemishes. Look, a bit of a scuff on that corner there. Kind of that section there just wants polishing up, but generally it's a very tidy little car. 3-door model. Good sized boot. Got your spare and your tools and everything. All the seats will fold down to make a huge space for luggage if you need it. Very clean inside. 5 seats with belts. Rear headrests. Now then, I've got something a bit unusual in this one. Look at that, look. Front and rear dash cam.
Right, thankfully Dr. Reforma's back with us. Right,
I'll just show you this before I turn it off. You've got steering wheel controls here for the stereo.
For your skin, first of all.
They're all working.
The blue light is in the...
There's Bluetooth on there as well for the phone and stuff. And that looks like cruise control or a speed limiter. So you've got quite a good spec. Air conditioning. It does seem to be getting cold, that as well. And we've got electric windows and mirrors. You just see that mirror just in there. Same on this side. Like your windows. Switch that over. Like your mirrors are all working. 77,000 miles. Nice clean cabin. We've no instructions for this, but I'm sure you'll be able to download them off the net. It's a handy thing to have. I'm not really sure how it all works, but there you go. Yeah, clean and tidy in here. Nice little 3-door Micra. It's a nice colour as well. It's like a gunmetal grey rather than a silver, but it's all in all a nice straight car. No problems there whatsoever. I'm showing you the dash cam already. Look at this, this is handy. Look at this, look. Secret place to put your chocolates and sandwiches. Right, off we go for a little test drive. There's 2 lights showing on the dash at the minute. We're a little bit low on petrol, that's what the orange one is. And the other one's because we've got the side lights on. This car is Group 11 insurance. It's £165 a year for the road tax, and you can get up to 55 miles to the gallon on this car. Okay, we're batting along. We're going to do some short braking. Here we go, braking hard now. There we go, not pulling to the left or right, all good. Off we go again. Right, here we go, full lock. Make sure there's no weird noises or anything. That's that way, all good. That's that way. No clunking or clicking. Right. That's full lock both ways. No noises. Right, we're off up the hill. Accelerate quite hard. Diagnostic check on the Nissan Micra Acenta 2010. So there's the vehicle details. I'm going to go into that. Let's just take a second to load up. We're already connected. I'm going into codes. Just takes a second. There we go. No DTCs present, so there's no codes in that car at all. And then what we can do is, I'll just start it up. Go back out of here. Into data. There's the live engine data. What you can see from there is the battery's charging well enough. It's at 13.8 volts. All good on the diagnostic front. So HPI clear, all clear on the HPI check, and we've done our PDI, our pre-delivery inspection on it as well. So the car's all checked out, we've been sold with full MOT. Went for its MOT today, it has failed on a little bottom ball joint, we'll get that sorted. So the car will be going with a full MOT, 12 months MOT.